Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and fine at home. I am your EVS teacher Kajal Kamra. Today I'll be teaching you chapter number 7, what is light. So let's start. Light is an energy that we can see. Why we are able to see beautiful world around us? That is because of light. And what is the main source of energy on earth? That is sun. So three sources of light energy are sun, fire and electricity. Now children, I am going to explain you that light travels in a straight line. As you have seen, the path of water in the stream is also not straight. It also keeps changing direction. It bends around any stones that comes in its way. However, light cannot bend in this way. It also travels always in a straight line. Now children, I am going to explain you what is reflection. Have you noticed that when you throw a ball on the wall, it always bounces back? When light hits anything, it also bounces off as well. So this is called reflection of light. You can see the picture above. Why the girl is able to see her reflection in the mirror? This is because of reflection of light. Okay, students? Now I am going to explain you what is refraction. Children, if you see a pencil kept in an empty glass jar from the sides, how will it appear? It will appear straight. Now, if you add water to the glass jar till it is half filled, how would the pencil appear? It would appear slightly bent or even broken into two pieces. This happens because light bends when it travels from air to water. This bending of light is known as refraction. Now we are going to discuss about the different type of transparent, translucent and opaque object. First of all, what are transparent objects? These objects allow you to see clearly through them, and you can see some of the examples also as shown in the picture above. A material that permits light to pass through it are known as transparent materials. Now we are going to explain you what are translucent materials. Translucent objects only let some light through them. You cannot see clearly through a translucent object. Some examples of translucent include butter paper, frosted glass. Now children, I am going to explain you what are opaque objects. Opaque objects do not let any light through them. You cannot see through them. Some examples of opaque objects are shoes, a teddy, an apple. They do not allow light to pass through them. Translucent, transparent and opaque were the three objects that I have explained you. Transparent, once again, all light passes through it. Translucent, some light passes through it, and opaque, no light passes through it. I hope students all must have understood this chapter with the help of this video. Thank you and have a good day.